Hi guys, this is Swati and you are watching Swati Commerce Classes. Once again, welcome back to your very own channel Swati Commerce Classes. Today I am here with you with another video on how you can generate TRN number for the private limited company or company which has a multiple branches. Stay connected till the end, and if still you have any queries, please put in the comment below. I will definitely try to reply you. So without any further ado, let's enter upon. As usual, you need to visit your GST portal and click over services, and you will get a registration column and click over new registration. Now you will redirect it on the next interface. Select over here taxpayer, and in next section select state for which you want to get GST number. Scroll down and select district in which your business is going to registered. And in next section put company name. Company name you will get in incorporation certificate. Just copy this name and put over there. And in next section put permanent account number of a company, not of director. And next section put email address and mobile number on which you want to get an OTP. Oh, by wrongly I added wrong PAN number, so I will have to put it again. And in this section put captcha as showing in the image, and just click over the proceed. When you click over the proceed, you will be redirected on the next interface. As you can see, this client has many branches. You need not to be panic. Just click over the proceed. If you are getting this notification, then you need not to get panic. Just click over the proceed. This notification is showing just because this client has multiple branches. So you need not to get panic. Just click over the proceed. You will be redirected on the next interface. You will receive an OTP over mobile number and email address. Just copy both OTP and put over there. and click on proceed button. Your TRN number has been generated successfully. Just copy this and you can keep it for the further reference, and or you can just click over the proceed. You will be redirected on the next interface. Just click over the proceed and you will be redirected on the next interface. Put over the here TRN number. I'm just showing the demo. I'm not covering this topic of GST registration. I will cover this topic in next section, next video. So stay connected. Just click over the TRN number and fill the captcha and just click over the proceed button. You will be redirected on the next interface, over which you can start your GST registration by putting all the information I am going to cover in next section of this video. In this video I'm just showing demo how you can register or how you can proceed or initial step of GST registration. Just click over the proceed and you will receive an OTP over mobile number and email ID. You can put over here any of them. Click over the proceed and you will be redirected on the next interface. Your form number generated for GST registration. Now click over the action button and you can start your GST registration. By clicking on action button, you will be redirected on this interface and you can put over here all the information very easily by reading all these steps, like trade name. You can, as you can see, trade name, constitution of business and district as it is pre-filled. In this section, you will have to put reason of your GST registration. Why want to obtain GST registration? So put over here reason. And in this column, put date of commencement of business, when you started your business. And in next section, put the date on which your liability has been arised. And in next section, put if you have any existing registration GST number, so put over the here type of registration and registration number and date of registration. And in this section you will have to upload your proof of constitution of business. You can use incorporation certificates as in proof. I hope you understood all this step. If still you have any queries and if you have still any doubt, you can put in the comment below and I will definitely try to resolve your queries. And one more thing I want to add in this video, in lastly, document that you needed to obtain GST registration number, that would be photograph of director and Aadhaar card of director and PAN card of director, and you need incorporation certificate, MOA, AOA and NOC if it rented, or PAN card of company, rent agreement and PAN card of company, Aadhaar card of company. Just go through it as shown in this picture. I hope you understood all this step very carefully, and if it helps you, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. Thank you so much for your love and support. Bye bye, take care.